Hello and welcome. My name is Marc Blatstein, the physician and founder of Physician Pre-Sentence Report Service. Today's part two of preparing for the pre-sentence interview, and this part is prepping for the narrative. Prepping for the narrative, it's very important because right now, the only story or your only reputation in the universe or in the world or in front of your stakeholders who are controlling your future, which are the judge, the case managers in the Federal Bureau of Prisons, your attorney, the probation officer, the prosecutor, and the public, is the narrative put forth by the Department of Justice through your indictment. And so this is your opportunity to essentially redress that. And let's see if I can, there we go. And so the narrative is going to take months for you to write on your own, but it's your story and your opportunity to express remorse for the victims you created, understanding their pain and suffering and how it impacted them. You need to agree with the court as opposed to the seriousness of the crime. What brought you to this moment? It's a point of serious introspection on your part. And what in life brought you to this particular moment? You need to get feedback. Sometimes it's getting an expert from like a consultant, bringing them in to work with you. But if there was a trigger that brought you to this point, what was that trigger? But it's going to take time to complete. And at the end of writing this narrative, it's going to allow you to have a unique story that is honest, and it allows you to accept that responsibility. But more important, it's your only opportunity to explain yourself to the judge, and opens the door for the judge to be able to have a conversation with you at the sentencing hearing. It's your opportunity to say you don't ever want to be back in the courtroom again. And should the judge have the opportunity or the option or even want to speak to you, then that presents you with the opportunity also to let them know that you understand if there's a financial obligation that you have with the victims, that you feel responsibility and that you want to participate with the financial responsibility program, which is a very critical thing to say through the Bureau of Prisons, should the judge decide to sentence you to time in federal prison. The judge may decide to sentence you to more or less. There's no guarantees with anything, but at least you're putting your best foot forward. I hope you have found this helpful, and thank you for taking the time to listen to this YouTube. I hope you have a good day and stay safe.